Alright guys, we're doing a battery drain test for the Galaxy S10e versus the G7. So let's go ahead and get started. Now we're going to start this off with YouTube, and we're going to do just on auto, I guess 2 hours. Alright guys, so we're coming in at the 2-hour mark for YouTube, and as you can see, we're on 70% on the G7 and we're on 82% on the Galaxy S10e. Alright, so next, for the next 2 hours, we're going to do a game test for Call of Duty Mobile. So let's go ahead and launch that, leave it for 2 hours and see how it does. Alright guys, we have hit that 4-hour mark, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and check out the battery life. We're on 44% and 35% on the G7. Alright, so we're going to do 2 hours of YouTube and the Chrome browser playing at the same time. So let's see how this performs. Alright guys, as you can see, the G7 is giving out. It's at 9% on 5 hours and 17 minutes of screen on time. Alright y'all, so we're on 6 hours and 7 minutes. The G7 went ahead and died, and we still have 3% on the Galaxy S10e. So 6 hours of screen on time for a power user is pretty impressive. I think with the brightness turned down on both these phones, you could easily get 7 hours, maybe even 8 hours. So yeah, so there you go. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.